color corrector. Sorry if you are seeing this editor. There was a lizard in my studio, so I was crying about it for like 10 minutes. I have all the makeup products under rupees 150. Let's see if they are actually good or not. So I got all of these from Nike and I just filtered it on the basis of least priced. Okay, the first one we have is the L18 primer. This is the Ace base primer. This is for 122 rupees. You get a small tube of it. Oh, it is a clear gel. I think it's gonna be like a silicone primer. I don't like to blend my primer with my hands, but yeah, still, yeah, it is silicone. It does give a very slippery feeling to your face. It does smell little bit chemically, but I feel like that is fine. I mean, for 122, this is what you can expect, right? You won't get too much of a deal. But yeah, this is silicone. It might clog your pores if you use like, it continuously. That's why I avoid using silicone based primers. But you can see it is an okayish one. I don't necessarily like the feeling of this, but yeah, that is how it is. Next up, we have this color corrector. This is from Inside Cosmetics. So, oh, it is quite pigmented. I mean, this literally reminds me of the LA Girl color corrector, even the K and the ELF color corrector which I have. मेरे पास setting spray नहीं है under 150, so I'll just use a different one. Okay, I am blending it in and it is blending in quite nicely. I won't say it's extremely pigmented, but you know what? It does the job well. I mean, it does an okay job. It is not too much there, but if you want a color corrector which is like orange and under a budget, I think this is the one. If you really want to see like if is the color correction really for your skin, then definitely. You can see I look like a tomato, but trust me, I'm just gonna blend it in. Next up for foundation, I have the Lakme 95 Power Play Mousse Foundation. This is the shade Beige Vanilla. I really hope कि ये मेरा shade होगा. This is for 173 rupees and I didn't want a foundation which was, like by random brands names that I have not heard but by actual brand names. Literally बहुत कम product आ रहा है. मतलब you get like a mini worth of a product which will last you for like maybe for traveling and everything. This is a good one. And also Lakme is a great brand, so I think they have multiple shades as well. I'm taking a blending brush and just blending it in. Of course, Lakme foundations are really good. So if you are not a foundation person but you might need it for like a 1-2 occasions, then this is good for you. But you can see it is not full coverage. Like मेरा acne literally अभी तक दिख रहा है. So it is not a full coverage one. You might want like a natural coverage. It's like a tint kind of a situation. It's not too full coveragey. It says it is a mousse foundation, but it does not cover too much. But it does give you a matte finish. You can see matte finish aa rahi hai, which is good. But yeah, I need the coverage, so I would give this like an okayish, like 6 on 7 on 10. If maybe I did not have any acne, then this would look really good, but for now it's an okayish one. So I couldn't find a concealer under 150. One I found was just from this range, the color corrector range, but I wanted to show something different, but wo tha nahi. So I ended up skipping the concealer part, but let me be back. Okay, so the next thing which I found under rupees 150 was this powder from Pond's. This is the Pond's Natural Glow face powder in pink. You get like 2 versions of this and the price of this one is for 122 rupees. You get a pretty good one. Like an आजकल बहुत trend आ रहा है of the pink powders. So let me just open it up. You also get a powder puff with it. Do this. There is powder over here, as you can see. I'm literally ऐसे करके bake कर रही हूँ. Now you can go ahead and use a different brush just to blend it in. You can see like there are a lot of pink powders which are trending. If you want to just try it out, you can try this one. It does give a little bit of a tint. You can see like the difference between my under eye and here. You can clearly see कि एक थोड़ा सा छोटा सा pink tint आ गया है. Next up, let's do our blush. I have the Insight blusher. This is the shade 06 Caramel Eclair. I am just, that looks very good. I don't want to like ruin it up, but yeah, let me just pick it up on a brush and just, oh, you just saw what happened. It took like 5 seconds to blend, like get the pigment. I feel like it is a very pigmented one, so मैं सिर्फ थोड़ा सा लगा रही हूँ मेरे face पे, just a little, and it is actually looking great. Wow, inside I am impressed. I don't want to apply too much so that it, you know, it can just go ahead and ruin the foundation and everything, but yeah. I also have a highlighter. Both the highlighter and the blush are for 95 rupees. Amazing, I love it. Let me just swatch it. Oh, that looks pigmented. That is a good one. I won't say it is the best, but yeah, I mean it does the job well. If you like cream blushes, I think this is one for you. I don't really like cream blushes, but for 95 rupees, I feel like it does a decent job at highlighting. Look at that. I just found one eyeshadow. Like this was the baked eyeshadow on rupees 150. Like the least mein ye tha. And this one was for 94 rupees. So I was like, I have to try it out. Plus it looks so exciting. Like it's just, oh my god, look at it. I'm just gonna swatch it. Metallic. Like metallic. मैंने literally brush पे eyeshadow लिया नहीं है. You literally just saw what happened. Insane. I love it. I'm gonna keep it in my like current drawer of favorites. Next up, what I'm gonna do, क्योंकि मेरा eyeshadow को बहुत dimension नहीं दिख रहा है, I'm just gonna take this blush, just dip it a little bit, and then मेरे outer corners को I'll just do this so that there is little bit color on my lid and my eyelids just don't look too crazy. And this blush, by the way, is looking great as an eyeshadow as well, provided you use very little of this. So just very little. This literally shows that you do not need high-end products to make like a actual makeup look. Like literally मैंने 100 रुपए के products से ये look create किया है. Now will this stay forever and, you know, last you entire day? Probably not. But I mean, अगर काम चलाओ करना है, then this is a good one. As you saw, like literally जो shimmer था, it just went away very very quickly. So I mean that is what, you know, you can expect with 99, 95, 100 rupees makeup products. They won't last like how the Huda Beauty palettes or, you know, the bigger palettes last, but you can make do with them. Last three things which I have. Firstly is the voluminizing mascara from Blue Heaven. Let's try it out. This was for 86 rupees. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me for real? I don't know if you guys can see. जैसे मैंने mascara खोला, the brush just spat the mascara liquid on my face. This, okay, I hate. Oh, but yeah, let's apply the mascara and see how it is. थोड़ा मैं आगे आके लगा रही हूँ so that I can see my mirror as well. I mean, it is definitely lengthening. It's not giving too much of a volume. I do not like the wand of this. This is so bad because you can see यहाँ पे mascara लग गया, यहाँ पे mascara लग गया, and it is all over my face. That is bad. I will give this a 0 on 10. I hate this. Okay, last two things. We have a lip liner from Miss Claire and a Blue Heaven Get Matte lipstick. So the Miss Claire lip liner is for 62 and this is for 92 rupees. Again, I did not buy a kajal because I'm not a kajal wearer. So yeah, let's see. First impressions. You really have to press it to get the pigment on your lips. You can see यहाँ पे मतलब मैं literally बहुत ही ज़्यादा press कर रही हूँ. So I don't like it for that situation. It's not extremely creamy. Color is good, but so I don't like it. I would give it like a 5 on 10 maybe. Next up, let's try the Blue Heaven matte lipstick. I don't like the packaging. You can see it's very flimsy. So tikau packaging is, of course, like for 95 rupees, this is what you can get. Color I like. Not bad. It's not creamy. Again, maybe because it is a matte lipstick. Do I like the feel of it? Yes. Would I wear it again? Maybe, depending on the color. But I mean, I would not specifically go and buy this because the formula is not extremely creamy. So those were the makeups. Let me rate it out for you. So the lipstick, I would give it like a 7 on 10. This is probably like a 2 on 10. Eyeshadow, 6 on 10. Highlighter, 6 on 10. Blush, 9 on 10. We have the powder. Oh yeah, definitely. The powder is like a 10 on 10. I love it. We have the foundation, 5 on 10. It literally has not covered my acne. Primer, 7 on 10, maybe because it has done something to my face. Those were all the makeup products which are under rupees 150 from Nykaa. Let me know which other makeup challenge should I try in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.